Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. So we start looking into 20 lessons from my 20 years trading experience. So we've gone through lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just in case you missed any of those lessons, the links are going to be at the description of this video. So today we'll be looking into the lesson number 6. What is the lesson number 6 that I've learned in these 20 years of trading? I'm telling you sincerely, it's very simple, but many people overlook it. What is that lesson? You don't need to catch every move. You do not need to catch every move. Missing a trade is better than forcing a trade. In fact, not trading, not picking a trade is actually a trade on its own. Most especially in this trading era. How many of you know that we are in a different trading era right now? Okay, gone were those days when news like CPI, FOMC, NFP will move the market, 500, 600 ticks, 1,000 ticks. These days, even when there is red folder news, hardly do we see serious volatility in the market, except when there is a post, a tweet, or something, So now what are we saying in essence? That if you are waiting for a home run, you might be getting chopped and whipped and jobsaw in the market. So let me show you something. I'm going to take you to my screen and show you just this system. Now I've been working on this system for a while, and it's going to be very, very available very soon to the marketplace. Now take a look at this. Take a look at this system. If this is a strategy that, okay, you look into, like, okay, let's say you buy from here. Okay, this is a buy. This is when this strategy buys. This is when it get out. Okay, just 120 ticks. Okay, now somebody will look at this and say, oh my god, I missed this long move. Okay, so that is what traders feel like. Okay, that why should I get out from here? The same thing from here, you sell here, you get out from here. Okay, just that is 120 ticks right there when you measure it. Now let's see what is the winning rate of that strategy. That is 74.15 with that settings, just 120 ticks. Now if I should increase this, and say, okay, you know what, I need you to start, that is telling the strategy now, I need you to take profit when, instead of going for fixed. So let's say, for instance, and I'll say, you know what, reverse signal. So reverse signal, let's see how many percentage that will reduce to, because definitely it will reduce. You see, it reduced from 74% to 61.71%. That is still good, right? But 74% is better than 61%. So what I'm saying in essence is that sometimes when we see a move, when we see a market move, especially when you are trading indices, it doesn't even matter what you are trading. Either you are trading currency pairs, or you are trading precious metal like gold, or you are trading indices like a US 30, Nasdaq. I trade futures and I trade Forex. So with NQ, if only you can just capture just 20, 30 points, you are good. So when you are now waiting for the home run, imagine looking at the market. Look at this. Look at all of this move right here. So you cannot capture all of the move, because sometimes the market is ranging, is going up and down, and these days, even when you were sleeping, that is when we have most of the move. So what are we saying in essence is that develop a strategy, have your strategy that gives you just, just little. Remember, this market is it's like ocean, it's like an ocean. Okay, you cannot capture it all. Just take the few. If you are trading forex, it might be just 20 pips, it might be just 40 pips, but develop a system that give you that. Know when to get into the market, know when to get out. You cannot keep babysitting your chart. You cannot sit from morning till night. I was just telling a friend this morning that one of the reasons why I have not been creating content is sometimes when I sit like this, trading on lower time frame, trading features, by the time you are done, you are just tired. You're just like mentally drained, mentally tired, either green or red day. You are just so tired. Gone are those days when I used to trade just only forex. I trade on 15 minutes, set my trade, put stop loss, put take profit, and let it run. Okay, so what am I saying in essence is that in these 20 years, I have learned that you don't have to capture all the move. All you need is just very small of the move. You don't need to catch every move. So develop your system. Remember, the market trend just only less than 30% of the time. So your system should be able to capture when the market is even ranging. How can you trade? Do you get out, or do you stay off, or do you trade? And when you are trading a ranging market, you cannot be looking for a home run. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you. By the way, if you are watching this video, I need your favor. Okay, smash the subscribe button, like this video, okay, share with as many people that you know will benefit from this. I've been in this industry now for 20 years, and trust me, I've seen it all, and that is why I come up with these 20 lessons that I have learned in 20 years, and I'm compressing it to give them to you in 20 days. So you get one lesson one in a day, okay? And I hope that makes sense to you. So thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.